Welcome to Austrade Help. In this video, we are understanding economic indicators in Austrade's Where to Compete tool. When using the Where to Compete tool, there are a number of tabs into each market outlining specific interests, and a key benefit of the Where to Compete tool is that you can compare markets side by side. The economic indicators are intended to help users assess the scale of opportunities in their markets of interest relative to other markets and the global median. In this example, Thailand's forecasted GDP growth is around the global median, while Vietnam and Indonesian growth is above. The median is calculated by the most recent year of data available. The charts under the tab includes lines indicating the global median and the top and bottom 25% of markets. Population by age group displays all age groups by default. Users can select the age groupings relevant to their service or product offering. For example, if the target market is school-age students, you can select the 14 to 10 and the 15 to 19 age groups. The median line then recalculates to show you the average and top and bottom 25% selected age groups. Austrade encourages exploring these tools. Thank you.